Good day everyone, I am Joanna Murao from BSED Philippine 1. Before we proceed, what is pattern in nature? Patterns that you can see in nature are visible regularities or form found in natural world. It also stated that mathematics is all around us and we all need to do is to be more observant and attentive in our surroundings in order to use the relationship between mathematics and our nature. As I walk around, I saw this plant. This plant is related to fractals, which has never-ending patterns and are infinitely complex patterns that are so similar across these different scales. The second one is spiral patterns. Spiral pattern is a curve which emanates from a point moving farther away as it resolves around the point. Spiral that have a curved patterns that focuses at the center point. As you can see, that is an example of a spiral patterns. The last but not the least is a symmetry pattern. This plant is an example of symmetry pattern. So what is symmetry pattern? Symmetry in mathematics refers to a balance and harmony within a shape, pattern, or object, where one half is mirror image or matches the other in size, shape, and arrangement. So you see, there are many mathematics-related things that we can find to our nature. That's all. Thanks for watching.